Hi, this is Rockin' Robin. Have you seen these brochures around? Well, they're a lot of fun. We're going to take you to Everglades Holiday Park, and we're going to show you what it is like. First thing you do, you have to walk a little ways to get to the building where you can pay. You're going to take an airboat ride and see a gator show. There's a lot of cool things here. There's a little restaurant to the left that you can go, and you can even get gator bites if you're interested. I'm told they're made from the tail of the gator. You will get your tickets in here, and first you have to sign a waiver that if you get injured or bitten by a gator, anything happens, they are not responsible. Once you are all signed up, they will give you a wristband with your number, and when they call your number, that means it's time to head to the airboats. And this is what the airboats look like. On the left is some construction going on, and that is because they're raising everything because they don't want to be in floods. It's expected to be done in August, but they don't know. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. These are the airboats you will be going on, and it's about a 1-hour ride. Right away, you see some unique fish to Florida in the water.
So how's everyone doing today?
Good.
Awesome.
You make me nervous.
So I am Captain Tim, and I will be your Everglades tour guide today. I do have to give you guys a safety speech. I will keep it short and sweet, just like my marriage was.
Oh, that's sad.
Guys, for your safety, please keep your hands, feet, head, legs, and toes in the boat at all times. If you guys are smokers, please no smoking. We have kids on board and also gasoline. Any first timers out here?
Yeah.
Okay, almost the entire boat. This is first time on an airboat,
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Yep.
Well, guess what, guys? It's my first time on an airboat. Have you guys watched our 10-minute video on how to drive the airboat?
No.
Alright, so we do have some birds hanging out to our left on those orange buoys. So those birds, they are the double-crested cormorant. They are also known as the fishing buddy bird by the Seminole Indians. It does have about 800 horsepower. And there is a chance that we may reach speeds of 35 to 45 miles per hour. So all of that, it will depend on how many of you guys we lose along the way. So this is the beginning of our speed trail.
Ready?
So gather those
put my
even those
wallet thing.
classes.
I put it through there already.
Okay, good.
And here
We.
we
The goal of the airboat ride is to find alligators, and you will see several. Once your airboat ride is done, it is time to head to the Gator Show.
So my name is Kevin, and I'll be doing your alligator show for you today. Now I do actually work with every single alligator that you're seeing here, and each of our alligators normally does about 1 or 2 shows a day, so they can all take turns, don't get stressed or anything like that. Now the largest alligator that we have in our enclosure is actually the big guy sitting in the water over here. So we'll come over and talk about him a little bit. Alright, Mr. Okay, so he is actually this guy right here. Come here, buddy, come say hi. So Ticket's nose is right there, and Ticket's tail comes way back over here. So if I pull up his tail, you'll see that his tail alone is about as big as I am. So this is a very large animal. Now he is over 10 feet long, weighs well over 300 pounds, and he is jacked out of his mind, so I like to call him Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah. Now he is a very impressive alligator, but unfortunately I'm not using him for your show based on the simple fact of I can't really move him. He's kind of big, but he is a very impressive animal. Now, being that he is the largest alligator in here, he's also the dominant male in the enclosure until I walk through that door. You see the yellow color, then y'all think it's alligator pee, don't you? I get it all day long. People like, look, it's yellow, it's gator pee. It's not gator pee, it's Gatorade. We'll order this guy sitting down here, and we'll bring him up front so everyone's going to be able to see. Come here, big guy. Let's go.
Sit down. I know, what the heck? Everybody else wants to see it. Yeah.
And usually when I pick up an alligator that's like as big as I am, well, I clap. Cheers. Anybody out there, So take a look inside that alligator's mouth. Relax, big guy. Take a look inside that alligator's mouth. You will actually see 80 teeth in there. And there are 40 teeth on the top and 40 teeth on the bottom. And they can actually break their teeth off, they grow them back, and they cycle through several thousand teeth in their lifetime. Now that does come in handy because of how hard that gator can bite down. A large alligator can close its jaw entire ton of force within that mouth. 2,000 pounds per square inch power. Y'all do not seem impressed with that number. Think about that. 2,000 pounds is enough power to easily snap any bone in your weak, fragile human bodies and literally flatten your skull. Alright, now most of my show is a lot of bad jokes. I do want you guys to laugh, have a good time, learn about alligators. So there's one part of the show that is actually extremely dangerous. So before I do it, I want a little bit of motivation. You guys are enjoying the show, right? Yeah! I'm just checking. So nice and careful.
Oh, my God.
After the show, you'll have the opportunity to see some other animals out there and even get a photo with a baby gator. You never know what you're going to see at this park. And then afterwards, it's a good time to stop and get those gator bites I told you about. Give them a try, and then go to the gift store where you can buy t-shirts and hats. Thank you for coming with us to Everglades Holiday Park. If you're headed there, I think you're going to have a great trip. Please remember to subscribe and watch all our videos. Enjoy.